Hi, everyone. Happy Friday. Last weekend, UVLT participated in the Great Backyard Bird Count by setting up wildlife cameras at our bird feeders to see who visited them. We then uploaded our data to birdcount.org so that our observations could be accounted for. Though we typically see a variety of winter birds at our feeders, included tufted titmouse, nuthatches, and cardinals, during these 4 days the chickadees took over and visited our feeders over 45 times. So we thought it would be a good time to share some interesting winter facts about our local chickadees. Chickadees are able to survive here during the winter due to three important things. They're insulated, they're active, and they have a good memory. For insulation, they have a half-inch coat of feathers, and the chickadee is able to maintain its body temperature at 100 degrees Fahrenheit, even when the air is 0 degrees. The black-capped chickadee hides seeds and other food items to eat later. Each item is placed in a different spot, and the chickadee can remember thousands of hiding places. Chickadee calls are language like communicating information on identity and recognition of other flocks, as well as predator alarms and contact calls. The more D notes in a chickadee call, the higher the threat level.